Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Logitech Jaybird Run XT wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device or to each other, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you want to just get a fresh start on these earbuds and set them up like they're a brand new set of earbuds, we can go ahead and do that pretty simply with this hard reset to the factory default settings. All we need to do, and we're going to do this on each earbud, so you can do it simultaneously or one at a time, it doesn't matter, but you need to do it on each earbud. You're going to take the earbud out of the case and then it's going to turn on. You're going to have to press and hold this button on the back for 3 seconds to turn it off. Once it's turned off, you're going to come in and press and hold this button for 6 seconds until the LED on it flashes green. Once it flashes green, you're going to release and then double press quickly the button again. So if it works, then the LED will flash orange and then the earbud will turn off. So press and hold for 6 seconds until it flashes green and then double tap and it should flash orange and turn off. Do that with the other earbud as well. Put them back in the case, take them out of the case and set them up as new earbuds.